Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maria Killam, and today on Decorate or Renovate, I'm showing you the 3 ways to get the perfect kitchen renovation on a budget. On this show, I talk a lot about how to distract the eye from elements that you don't love and how to decorate around them. But if you've been staring at your kitchen, wondering if you need a sledgehammer or just a paintbrush, this video is for you. And because the kitchen is the heart of the home where we spend so much time, if the heart of your home is wrapped in dated 80s oak or dirty Tuscan travertine, it's hard to feel the love. So I'm here to tell you there is no reason to live with a kitchen that you don't love. You just need to get a plan and some creativity going. Most people think that to have a beautiful kitchen, it requires a 100,000 gut job. But after 25 years of being in thousands of homes, I have learned that the fix is often easier and cheaper than you think. The tricky part isn't in finding ideas. We've all seen hundreds and thousands of kitchens on Pinterest and Instagram. The tricky part is knowing what will have the most impact in your kitchen. What's going to make your kitchen the dream kitchen? A dream kitchen doesn't have to mean the perfect inspiration that you're looking at today. Your kitchen can be dreamy for you. For example, you might assume that your dated granite just has to go, but I've shown thousands of homeowners how just the right paint and styling can make those countertops disappear. But I get it. You're looking at your kitchen and spiraling, thinking, will painting the cabinets look cheap? Do I need a new backsplash? Is this a refresh or a full gut reno? Your time and money are limited, especially right now, and you can't afford to waste them on the wrong updates. Now you might be thinking, I can't afford a designer. The free designer in the showroom's gonna help me. But I'm here to tell you that free designer is there to sell you cabinets, not to make sure that all of your finishes coordinate. Years ago, I received an email from a client who said that the kitchen designer that she got for free with her cabinets chose these finishes for her kitchen. She cried for 2 months. And you're gonna cry too once you've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on marble and cabinets and flooring just to have it end up looking like this. And whatever you do not crowdsource your home's future on design forums or ChatGPT. Color is an art and a science, and you will not be able to navigate through all those opinions to find the right answer, asking one question at a time. Your kitchen needs a plan based on the style of your house, not whatever AI is telling you. And since color and decorating are my superpowers, I've made getting the right advice easy, affordable, and most importantly, reliable. I want to help you get it right the first time. So stay until the end because I'm also sharing my most accessible solution for the dedicated DIYer who needs a foolproof plan. So first, let's talk about my most popular remote package, and that is my kitchen refresh package. This is for when your layout's fine, but the feel is wrong. That is exactly the power of my Decorate or Renovate philosophy. My system teaches you how to see color. And the reason why that's such a superpower is because in a kitchen refresh consultation, I look at all your finishes, tell you exactly what to keep, what to replace, and which paint colors are going to harmonize with all of your existing finishes. This rustic wood kitchen refresh came along with this testimonial. I just wanted to write and thank you for your advice this summer on my mountain home kitchen. We absolutely love how it turned out. The kitchen desperately needed a refresh. We kept the beautiful knotted alder cabinets, but the countertop and backsplash that you gave us transformed the kitchen. It made such a huge difference and we absolutely love it. That kitchen became dreamy for her. and that is what counts. This next refresh is a perfect example of when a homeowner installs a trendy kitchen in a house where it doesn't belong. In this refresh, the client said, "I don't love my kitchen because it doesn't look like it belongs in a mid-century modern home." It certainly does not. Now, she couldn't afford to take it out, but we gave her a great color that related beautifully to her tile and made it easier for her to live with the kitchen until she could afford to rip it out and replace it with this, which is what it should have been to go with her house. She also painted the breeze blocks in her living room to coordinate with the kitchen color, and it turned out beautiful. This client had pink beige tile in her house, and here's the thing, if you don't know which of the two countertops actually relate to the tile, you might end up installing white countertops instead. Doesn't look good with the earthy floor. So we gave her a blue, which looks amazing with pink beige. And she said, "A big thank you. The design plan helped make the vision in my head come alive. Actually miles better than what I planned, but without poor decisions and regret. Your team helped me avoid a potential disaster, not crashing over the ledge with marrying the pink beige floor with marble or white. And it took faith, I must admit, to blindly trust in the moments I couldn't see it. I knew the foundation of your expertise was solid and it would work, and that I had to trust and let go. The result is a timeless, gorgeous kitchen that we love." Number 2 is my Create a Classic Kitchen Design Package. Now, if you know you're ready for a full renovation, but you're terrified of making a permanent, expensive mistake, I got you. The most regrettable eyesores that I see, you can easily find them in real estate listings near you, are the color mistakes. Choosing a trendy backsplash that clashes with your dated kitchen or your interesting countertop is a mistake you're going to have to look at every morning for 20 years. My Create a Classic Kitchen Package is your insurance policy. This is where I recommend perfectly coordinated flooring, countertops, cabinet colors, wall colors, and backsplash. But I also give you the critical details that make it fabulous: the lighting and the hardware and the placement. Take a look at this fabulous West Coast project that was recently completed. We complemented her warm wood accents with a stunning blue-green palette. This homeowner saved thousands because they didn't have to guess. As one client recently wrote to me, "It's a world of difference from our dark cherry kitchen. We love the bright open feel. One mistake would have cost more than your entire consultation. I bring you to the front of a long line of decisions so that you only have to choose between 2 or 3 of the best available options for you." This kitchen came along with this testimonial. I want to send some pictures of our gorgeous renovation. We love it so much, and we have MK Design to thank. In this dramatic blue-green kitchen, my client wanted to update her kitchen without changing her floors. And that is common because a lot of people have tile flooring that goes throughout their house. See how crisp and pretty her creamy solid quartz countertops look with coordinating cream subway tile? And just in case you didn't see it, the countertops are a pink beige quartz to match her travertine floors. And matching your countertops to your floors is key in this situation. Number 3, the timeless formulas for my budget DIYer. So this is for the person that you have no money to waste on making the wrong choices for your finishes. You can't afford to paint your cabinets twice. For you, I've packaged my 3 most tried and true timeless kitchen formulas. These aren't custom consultations. They are foolproof guides based on the most common kitchen dilemmas I've solved for 2 decades. Whether you're dealing with the common situation of a sea of travertine everywhere or trying to find the perfect white for your timeless kitchen, these formulas give you the exact ingredients for a classic look. So stop guessing and start loving your home. Whether it's a refresh or a full-blown renovation, the right advice is the only thing standing between you and the kitchen of your dreams. Click the link below to find the consultation that fits the best for your project. And if you have any questions, you can email my team at edesign@mariakillam.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.